Hi everyone, it's Simone from Easy Access English. Let's talk about idioms and why we use them. So, what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or expression that cannot be understood literally. In other words, we can't translate it word for word. It just won't make sense. I'll give you an example. It's raining cats and dogs. So we don't literally mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. What we want to say is that it's raining very heavily. So why do we use idioms? Well, there are three main reasons. The first is that it can help us exaggerate or emphasize a point, and it adds some color or variety to what we're saying. The second reason is that it can make a speaker sound more comfortable and confident, as it demonstrates that they have a complex understanding of the nuances of language. And the third reason is that it can make what you're saying sound less formal and more relaxed, which can be useful in a conversational setting. So let's look at some common idioms in the workplace. I'm going to say the idiom and I want you to repeat it back. Get in touch. Get in touch is a less formal way of saying make contact. For example, please get in touch if you have any problems. We also have the idiom touch base, which is very similar. An example, please touch base with me when you are ready to recommence your English lessons. Number 2, get the ball rolling. This is an informal way of saying to start or initiate something. For example, you could say, we're running behind schedule. It's really important that we get the ball rolling on this project. Idiom number 3, circle back. This means to return to a previous topic or issue that was discussed earlier. For example, I'm not sure about that. Let's circle back to it later. Number 4, keep someone in the loop. This expression means to keep someone informed or updated about a situation or development. For example, please keep me in the loop regarding this opportunity. So the best way to learn idioms is to read and listen to authentic texts in English, and where you can, to have conversations with native English speakers. You could try to challenge yourself to learn one new English expression every week and to try and use it in your daily life. I hope this was helpful.